Welcome to our channel He is to be Conquered. Written by Adapa Ramakrishna. This is a long poem originally written in Telugu. Title Vadini Gyanchali. Translated from Telugu to English by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. Adapa Ramakrishna received an award for his writing to his credits. He is to be Conquered. Long poem by Adapa Ramakrishna. English version by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. His Excellency, lead this movement, take it further, as it has major, very major and prominent role in the fight against corruption and black money. To me, each and every individual involved in this mission constitutes a new anti-corruption cadre in the country. In a way, you are a soldier in the cause of cleanliness and purity. Conclusion has made for a plan long back. Unauthorized occupation is a status. Building a fence around is an atrocity. His desire is nothing but lunacy. His attribute is nothing but anxiety. Avoiding the obstacles, encircling the skyline scrapers, whipping out of the boundaries. No road reaches the goal. That is the goal, and that is inaccessible. Many crooked ideas in his looks. Remnants of workshops and factories. Paths that are closed by the tears. Traceless projects, identities. Curved stone for foundation. Milestones seen at each and every town. There is no place where he does not travel, no place where he did not lay his hand, keeping a value tag for the sweat drop, opening a bank for a blood of labors, squeezes lakhs in the name of giving life. Difference between the day and night are not known. In the broad daylight, burns out forest, decimates nature and hills, looting and atrocity are his weapons, always ready for bullying. The life of one who surrenders is destroyed. He is let down even by God. The magic of confused figures of accounts, anxiety to be nearer to the goal, no fear in undemocratic situation, assurance of protection by the followers in power. Garlanding with currency notes, decorating the judiciary neck, judgment of the one who served them. Judges are the household deities. Everywhere, Veerappans offering scared lambs move freely in his regime. A nonchalant in a dense forest movement, the hideout untraceable in the light and torch. Psychological ceremonies, unknown words, all are meaningless pranks. Even if it is Kakinada port, he never takes to the shore of any day. No pity even if it is Krishnapatnam. No indifference even though it is Anantapuram. His handprints are inevitable. He cannot help but be on wrong footing. Please subscribe our channel He is to be Conquered. To continue listening the further portion of this long poem, please click on our channel He is to be Conquered 4.